All new at 5, Simpsonville getting a brand new healthcare facility that will bring more jobs and services to the area.
And it's going to be at the Secours St. Francis EMTs and local leaders. That's the ones that turned the dirt at the site on the brand new 41,000 square foot medical campus, which will be on Grandview Drive.
Fox Carolina's Kaufax was there and joins us live with more information on what this means for the area.
Yeah, guys, well, you can see the massive expanse of land right behind me, as well as this heavy machinery. The sun is just setting right here, so if I can move the camera a little bit, you can see just how far back this plot of land goes. Crews were out here in hard hats working earlier today, laying the groundwork for something that officials tell me is a big need in this ever-expanding area. And Simpsonville Mayor Paul Shoemaker told me today that the city is incredibly excited to get this new facility, which will include a retail pharmacy, x-ray and ultrasound facilities, as well as wings for cardiovascular, orthopedic, primary care, and even behavioral and mental health. Beyond the wide range of care options, which he says will now be closer than ever to people who live out this way, he also says the economic benefit will be huge for people living and working in this fast-growing community each and every day.
Provides choices and access for healthcare in our community, and brings a lot of professionals to work here every day, and really addresses a need that is caused by the growth of our city. Since I was just talking to somebody who lives in Lawrence, and they're glad to have something that's closer than having to drive all the way to Greenville for more complex care.
That convenience factor is something the mayor told me he thinks might actually help more people stay healthier for longer, because they'll be more willing to drive closer to home, and increased capacity here could take some of the burden off already crowded facilities there in the heart of Greenville. And coming up at 6 p.m., we're going to hear from one of the doctors who spoke to the crowd that you saw here today, who also plans to work in the new facility. He says he's worked in this area since the late 90s. This has been a dream of theirs. And he also adds that this is very fitting in the fight against COVID-19, that something like this is happening right here. We're going to hear from him at 6. For now, back to